Good afternoon, this is Elliot here at Dodge Trucks with another one of our walk around videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our available inventory as we post it. Our phone number and website are in the description. Today we got a 2014 Ford E-350 Super Duty with a 16-foot box on the back here. Box has been repainted. Got some nice Goodyear tires on here. A lot of tread left on those. And we've repainted the chassis as we do with all of our trucks with an anti-rust chassis saver paint. Prevents any new rust from forming and keeps any existing rust from spreading. Some nice tires on the back here as well. Dual rear wheel. Plenty of tread left on those as well. This truck does come equipped with a ramp on the back. Let's take a look inside the box here. The box is in great condition. Just been cleaned out. This truck is looking and running great. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the cab. This truck's been thoroughly detailed inside and out. The seats are in great condition. No rips or tears. This truck's got a third jump seat in the middle. Fire extinguisher for emergencies. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. This particular truck has 193,529 miles. Almost a full tank of gas. As you can see, no lights on the dash. Everything looking and running smooth. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. This Ford comes equipped with a 5.4 liter flex fuel V8 engine under the hood with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This truck is looking and running great. It's ready to get to work. And there you have it, a 2014 Ford E-350 Super Duty. The 16-foot box, 5.4 liter V8 flex fuel engine, rear wheel drive, automatic transmission. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.